Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style channel, and today we're going to talk about monthly crypto market update. And we will figure out, is it bearish trend and what's going on with the trend of the crypto market. Please subscribe for all my channels and click like button to support the channel. Thank you so much. Let's move to Webull. About my Webull setup. If you want to learn about it, just go to the description. There is the link about my Webull setup and other trainings. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages and three indicators. Moving averages, white line MA200, purple line MA100, blue line MA50, yellow line MA20, red line MA10, green line MA5, MACD indicator 5 it's a signal line, and green it's a MACD line. When green line crossover downtrend, red line it's a bearish crossover. When it MACD green line cross red line uptrend, it's a bullish crossover. RSI same setup. Red is a bearish, red is a signal line, green it's a RSI line, awesome oscillator. Green it's a bullish, red it's a bearish, and RSI also has yellow lines. Look at it. At the Tory rate, it's oversold, and yellow it's overbought. Okay, let's start it. Monthly time frame. Remember, I don't trade on a monthly or weekly. It's a good for investors. It's absolutely tradable if someone wants to have like actions once in a while, who doesn't like to trade daily or during the week. They want to do just I will show you like just once in a while. Look at that, like Bitcoin, right? Over here it was top. How do we know it? I knew it because one indicator first. This bar was very far from MA20. It's a rule. When bar far from MA20, it always wants to connect back to MA20. And it kind of was trying. It connected to MA10. It was far from MA10. First it has to connect to MA5. Second it has to connect to MA10. And then it has to connect to MA20. That's how it works. And it bounced from A10. It bounced from A10 and made a new high. At that point, it was new high. I knew it is new. It is bull trap. It will not go to 100,000. I didn't know exactly when it will stop, but I knew because I saw it. It was, look at it. This is uptrend, right? But on the histogram, it's a downtrend. On RSI, it's a downtrend. On the awesome oscillator, it was downtrend. It means for me it's a bearish divergence. I knew it will go bearish. And the second rule also was, this top was very far from MA20. It definitely wants to connect to MA20, and it did. It did connect to MA5 and connected to MA10 and connected to MA10 and connected to MA20. That's how it works. It's simple, even on monthly, right? And at this point, it was, someone, and MACD did bearish crossover. End of the 2021, in December 2021. It did bearish crossover, and it was signal to move bearish. Not to wait, and some people still wait, and they still sit and wait. Okay, when it will recover, maybe, we'll see. So far, it's still bearish, right? On monthly, it's still below MA5. It even didn't cross over MA. The bars should be above MA5 to change the MA5 to go to be bullish. But so far, from this point, the bars still below MA5 and didn't change it. We need bar positive, move above MA5, then do bullish crossover with MA10. It will be signal to bullish. The only one positive thing that we have now is far from MA20. Far from MA20, it always wants to connect to MA20. But the second thing, that if it sits for a long time at the MA like flat, the MA20 will come to the bars. If it's going to stay flat, MA20 will come to them. That's how it works. But we'll see if it's going to stay flat. So far, it's a bearish. bearish trend on all indicators, right? MACD, awesome oscillator, all indicators bearish trend on monthly for Bitcoin. Let's move to weekly. Weekly Bitcoin is below all moving averages and MA 20, all moving averages below 20. Yeah, 5, 10, and 20 below 200. It's a bearish direction. It's kind of flat below me, and it has bullish divergence on weekly, right? On weekly it has bullish divergences and it wants to go bullish. But so far it's still bearish, but it wants to go bullish. Let's move to Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash monthly. Bearish trend, right? Bearish trend, MACD in a bearish trend. The last bar still below all moving averages. Bearish trend on MACD, bearish trend on the RSI, and bearish trend on awesome oscillator. That's how it works. Bearish direction on monthly. Let's check weekly. Weekly, it's a flat. It was flat weekly, but it built already bullish divergence. Bullish divergence on MACD, bullish divergence on the RSI, and awesome oscillator. It wants to go bullish on weekly, right? Let's move to Ethereum monthly. Ethereum monthly, it stopped at MA50 for several months already, and it wants to bounce from MA50. That's how MA50, very strong support for Ethereum. It wants to bounce from MA50. So far it's kind of flat, but still bearish on all indicators. Let's check weekly. Weekly is kind of flat, no changes. Weekly it's flat, no changes, right? It's flat, it's bullish divergences on all indicators. Weekly for Ethereum, bullish divergence on weekly. Let's move to Ethereum Classic. To see what's going on with Ethereum Classic to monthly, right? Ethereum Classic monthly. Ethereum Classic monthly. It's a bearish trend, right? Bearish trend, no changes for Ethereum monthly. Bearish trend on the last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend on the MACD, RSI, awesome oscillator. Weekly, it's kind of it's bearish trend on all indicators, right? But still bullish divergence. Bearish trend weekly also. Let's move to other Cardano to see what's going on with other Cardano weekly. And other Cardano weekly. It's not data. It's still bearish trend, not far below all moving averages, but it's building bullish direction. It has bullish divergence on also later on RSI, on MACD, bullish divergence on all indicators. Okay, let's do review. Monthly, it's still bearish on all indicators. Weekly, it's also bearish, but it has all crypto, they have